Learn Kikuyu language with me, Boniface. This is the second session. In the last one, we looked at places. We asked the question of ko, which was where. And we asked weha. We also asked weko. And we asked haria he na ke. We also asked kou kwe na ke. Now today we are going to look at a few places and learn a few vocabularies. It's good to note that anywhere you find this hyphen ine in Kikuyu, it means within or inside a certain place. For example, thifitare ine means at the hospital or in the hospital. Thifitare ine means at the hospital. Keharo ine means in the field. Kiradhi is class. Kiradhine means in the classroom. Garine means in the car. Okay. Mokawaine wa university means at the university's cafe. Stairsine. In Kikuyu we don't have a word for stairs, so we can just use stairsine, which is in or on the stairs. The next one is corridoine, which is in the corridor. Wafishine means in an office. Libraryine means in a library. Okay, so let's see one more. Dukaine. Dukaine means in a shop. This should be dukaine. This is should be only a single I, not should be duka ine. Just know there is a mistake there. So dukaine. Now some of the vocabularies we have learned, some of the Kikuyu vocabularies we have learned there include Thifitari means hospital, Kiharo field, Kiradhi classroom or class, Gari car, Mukawa cafe or hotel, corridor Wafishi office, library, that is library. Duka is a shop. So once again, remember, ha is to ask where when you're referring to something that is near or someone that is near, and ko is where when you're referring to something or someone who is far. There's a small exercise here. You can read these two sentences and then just answer them so as to see if you have grasped their meanings. So thank you so much. Looking forward to the next session.